I wheel this bit and get it painted and get it in the dry, because it's been a wet few days. You can see the painting great, it's been getting a bit rusty. So we'll carry on with that. We're just about there now. Give it another coat when I get it laid down. I haven't done lightly underneath, but I can do that anytime. Obviously, well, they could do it. But I'm just going to take you through this. I cut these wedges, so when that's up in the air, you can put them under. Because although that might not be moving, you can't trust anything really. So if you're going to work underneath something, make sure you prop it up, because you will get hurt. So we've got it hooked up on the tractor. I really need to weld a bar in here to take this. So I might have a look at doing that in a minute. So we'll do that. Stick this somewhere. Put it over about here. And put a hook on it so this hook can hang on. You generally have them on trailers. So that's what we'll do next. Plus I want to strengthen up the back, but I might leave that. I'm going to weld this in there. This will hold the hydraulic pipe up. I'll put some little hooks on here, and obviously the lighting cable if you put lights on the trailer. So I'm going to weld that in that web there and paint it. I made this. You can put the pipe on. Super dupe. So just get the last bits painted. Then we'll put it under cover. Then I can finish off right underneath another day. Well, I might sand some of that right underneath. Right, let's get a bit of painting done. I actually changed the angle of it, because it was too close to this. There we go. So we're more or less there. We'll just give it a, I'm going to do the right underneath, give it a sand, and then give it one more paint, and then we'll put it in the shed so it'll keep in the dry. And then when I get some wood, we can watch the progress of fitting some wood to it. Obviously we've got to drill some holes for some clips. Got to put these clips in the back. We've got a few bits to do.